Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys the most worth it Game Pass right now in Dress to Impress. And I'll also be showing you guys, is the VIP Game Pass still worth it or not? So, here you are able to purchase Game Passes. The VIP Game Pass permanent is 799 Robux. For custom makeup, it's only 139 Robux. Now let's talk about the things the non-VIP pass has and what we have in VIP. I'm like trying to talk, but it's not like making sense somehow. Okay, so there is this broom in VIP, and yes, there are different toggles to the one that we have outside of VIP, and that is the the Elphaba broom. Now they have it for free, but there's only one toggle. And also, now we don't even need VIP for capes anymore because they have that now at here. You can you can select the only cape toggle as well. And you don't even need the VIP cape anymore. This is not everything that's from VIP. There's also a bunch of like Halloween and Christmas and summer. Wait, is it Christmas VIP items? I actually don't remember. But there's like the pedal ones that are VIP, like this robot set, I think is very worth it. Um, but the rest is not really worth it. I would say I do rarely go here because what matters is the custom makeup the most to me. Look how good my face card is compared to the ones that they have for free. I mean, there's still some good face cards, but if you want like a Y2K theme, you can really go for the theme using custom makeup rather than the outfits in VIP. So would I say VIP is worth it or not? I would say if you're a new player, don't go buy yet because I don't think you're able to get the past. Actually, maybe you do get the past VIP items if I'm not mistaken. I actually don't remember the like rules, but I don't think it's as worth it as the custom makeup now because there's a bunch of free items that are kind of similar to the ones that are in VIP. Even though there are some VIP items like the robot set, which they don't have outside of VIP, and the angel wings are customizable in VIP, but they are able to make it now out of like stuff from the culture like pack here if they already have it. So here, if I like rotate it this way, I'm like able to kind of make it into like wings if I didn't have wings already, like that, as you can see. So yeah, I would say if you want to purchase a Game Pass from Dress to Impress, I do suggest the custom makeup first and save up for VIP later. But yeah, that's pretty much it. It's just me talking about Game Passes on this game. I do have like every Game Pass here except for the double the money because I don't really need it, as you can see. But yeah, that's pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.